using baking soda in compost is a frequently asked question among new and experienced gardeners alike. The direct answer is that while you technically can add it, it is strongly not recommended and should be avoided for the health of your compost and garden. The risks associated with using baking soda far outweigh any potential, minimal benefits. People are often tempted to use it for two primary reasons: odor control and pH adjustment. A compost pile can sometimes develop a sour or unpleasant smell, and since baking soda is a well-known deodorizer, it seems like a quick fix. Similarly, if a gardener believes their pile is too acidic from materials like citrus peels or pine needles, baking soda's alkaline nature seems like a logical solution to raise the pH. However, this is where the problems begin. A healthy compost pile is a vibrant ecosystem teeming with beneficial microorganisms that break down organic matter, and these microbes thrive in a slightly acidic to neutral pH range, typically between 6.0 and 7.5. Adding baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, can rapidly increase the pH, creating an overly alkaline environment that can harm or even kill this essential microbial workforce, effectively stalling the decomposition process. Furthermore, a high pH can cause the valuable nitrogen in your compost to convert into ammonia gas, which not only smells terrible but also means your finished compost will be depleted of a crucial plant nutrient. The most significant and damaging reason to avoid baking soda is its sodium content. Sodium does not break down or get consumed during composting, it accumulates. When you eventually use this compost in your garden, you are introducing high levels of sodium into your soil. This is incredibly detrimental to most plants and soil structure. High sodium levels can inhibit a plant's ability to absorb water, leading to dehydration and death, and it can ruin the soil's texture, making it less fertile for years to come. Thankfully, there are much safer and more effective solutions for common compost problems. If your pile smells, it's almost always a sign that it is too wet and lacks oxygen, a condition known as being anaerobic. The proper solution is to turn the pile to aerate it and add more carbon-rich brown materials like dried leaves, straw, or shredded cardboard to absorb excess moisture. If you are genuinely concerned about high acidity, it's important to know that most piles will self-regulate their pH over time. If an adjustment is truly needed, use a small amount of natural wood ash, which also adds potassium, or crushed eggshells, which add calcium and raise pH slowly and safely. In conclusion, you should not use baking soda in your compost. Sticking to proven composting principles, maintaining a good carbon-to-nitrogen ratio, ensuring proper moisture levels, and turning your pile regularly will solve most issues without resorting to a substance that can poison your microbes, deplete nutrients, and contaminate your garden soil with sodium. Thank you for watching this guide on composting. For more essential gardening tips and tricks, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.